Guys, if you ever feel that God has been unkind on you, just hear the story of this little girl who I met in court today. She was from Bihar and she was abandoned by her parents in Delhi because evidently she was a burden for them. So what happened was her family was taking her to Delhi on the pretext that they are going to visit a relative. And while she was asleep during the train journey, her parents deboarded the train and abandoned her there. Luckily, the Railway Protection Force handed her over to an NGO who shelter orphans. And though the NGO got an FIR lodged against her parents under Section 93 of the BNS, which criminalizes abandoning a child under 12 years. But unfortunately, the police was observing inaction, considering it to be a less serious case because they felt that the child is with the NGO, so they will take care of her. And even if her parents are not raised out, it does not make much difference. So today when I saw her in court, she was in tears and I came to know about a story from one of the volunteers of the NGO, and I was furious on the police. How can abandonment of a child that to a young girl can be a less serious case, but that is police for you. So I asked my team to get the details of the FIR, and immediately an application for monitoring of investigation was filed by us, relying on the judgment of Sakeri Vasu versus State of UP, wherein Supreme Court held that if police is not performing their job of investigating, then the courts shall monitor the investigation and pass necessary directions. And in this case, the court heard the application today and directed the investigating officer to file a status report within 2 days, showing what steps he has taken to trace out her parents. So this is also an advice for you: if police is silent in your case, then file this application to restart the jammed legs of police.